I am so proud of all your hard work today because we cleaned up our entire grounds here at Bunche. All the playground, the front, the parking lot, the garden area. I am super proud of all you. It's hard work. Well, this year we decided to be a part of Fort Wayne Great American Cleanup. We've done it in the past and just had gotten away from it, but we were excited once COVID's over to start getting the kids outside and doing more community activities like this. So each of the students get a t-shirt, they get gloves, classrooms get trash bags, and we're focused on cleaning up the grounds around our school. So we have basically taken the grounds and divided it up into 9 different areas for our classrooms. So they'll be headed out this afternoon after lunch, and we'll be picking up trash, maybe doing a little bit of weeding, just making sure that the grounds are kept nice and clean. The Great American Cleanup is perfect connection to our Montessori philosophy of taking care of yourself, your others, and the community. So we're very, very fortunate to have this program, and it connects with what we're doing in our classrooms as far as recycling and looking at gardening. And we had a JA program this morning that talked about just those things. So this is going to be an exciting day for our kids.